Today we're unboxing the next-gen Smart Hydrogen Water Bottle, a revolutionary device that not only hydrates you but also enriches your water with hydrogen for added health benefits. The sleek design immediately catches the eye, featuring a durable, BPA-free body and an intuitive LED interface. With a single press, the bottle activates its hydrogen-producing technology, turning ordinary water into a delicious, antioxidant-rich drink within minutes. Personal favorites include its portable size for on-the-go use and smart connectivity that tracks your hydration levels through a dedicated app. Trust me, this tech will elevate your wellness routine. Let's dive in and see it in action.